Clayton Farhood proudly speaks of his mother who started Nunu's Mediterranean Café.
Her original concept was to have a Mediterranean cafe featuring almost solely Lebanese food. So, the Mediterranean is kind of an umbrella of the different kinds of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, and ours is a Lebanese restaurant.
Now the culinary legacy, which started with his grandmother's recipes, continues as Nunu's delights loyal customers with those cherished family recipes every single day.
I would say the Mediterranean diet is very palatable, especially, here at Nunu's, we serve chicken and black Angus beef for our proteins. That's all. We don't do seafood or pork or anything like that. I always say that Lebanese food is very user-friendly to the American palate. We let the ingredients, we let the proteins, we let the grains, we let the hummus, the tabbouleh all taste for themselves.
And that hummus, one of my favorite things to eat here, dances on the palate with a velvety smoothness that defies description. The recipe for this luscious dish is 100 years old.
Very few ingredients. I always say with hummus, the more you add, the less it is. It should be garbanzo beans, lemon juice, garlic. We make it several times a day, along with our tabbouleh salad, our cucumber and yogurt, our baba ganoush. And to cook like that, for me, is the only way to serve food, is to cook it fresh like that.
This is a scratch kitchen, so everything is fresh. Lebanese food is an art that combines rich history and influences from various cultures, resulting in an enticing array of dishes that tantalize the senses.
The number one dish we sell, probably 8-to-1 for everything on the menu, is our sampler plate. And it gives you a good idea to just try a bunch of 5 or 6 or 7 different things on the menu. It's great for first timers, getting to try all those things. But our first timers, when they return, they still get the sampler plate.
By the way, every dish has an abundance of food, big portions, consequently.
We spend a fortune in to-go boxes.
They also use as many made-in-Oklahoma products as possible. Their Greek salad with grilled chicken with marinated artichokes is also popular and delicious. Their falafel, cabbage rolls, everything I've eaten here has been spot on, including my absolute favorite, which is the lentil and rice pilaf with caramelized onions.
It doesn't even taste like you're eating a vegetarian meal. It's just so good. Those lentils are my favorite, and that we have a veggie sampler plate, which is also very popular, kind of the counterpoint to our regular sampler plate. And this is going to be lentils and rice, a vegetarian cabbage roll, hummus dip, tabbouleh salad, lentil soup. And so it's kind of a great vegan dish. And one of the things we don't, on kind of a side note, is 90% of our menu is gluten-free.
And customers keep coming back for more for the wonderful service and quality and quantity of food.
Excellent. It's always dependable, it's consistent, it's very fresh.
It's all made here in the house, and it's absolutely delicious. Anything you order, can't go wrong.
I usually order the sampler plate because it's got a little bit of everything in it, and I just love it. I usually end up taking some of it home with me, but it's delicious.
Excellent, which is one reason I keep coming back. It's very fresh, it's different, and the quality is just excellent.
The main dining room is full of family history with a lovely Mediterranean decor. There are 2 private banquet rooms, one of which has no rental fee, where you can order family-style meals if you'd like. And there is a patio that's especially nice in the spring, summer, and fall when the lush foliage is in bloom. At Nunu's Mediterranean Café in Oklahoma City, I'm Dino Lalli for Discover Oklahoma.
Here's how to find out more about this great Oklahoma destination. As always, travelok.com is your best one-stop shop for information about all Oklahoma has to offer. Please press like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.